it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never.
Magluto po tayo ng gata. Gatang kamansi. Ito po yung sibuyas, bawang, luya, sili, kamansi. Ito po yung kamansi. Ito naman po yung aking pansahog. Piniprito muna para maging brown ng baboy. Gisa na po ako. Gisa na po ako ng sibuyas. Bawang. Luya. At ilagay ko na yung sili. Yalo ko na ang baboy. Yan. At igigisa ko na rin po yung kamansi. Yan po ang ating gulay. Haluin ko. Tapos takpan. Ayan po, kumukulo. Haluin ko lang po. Ayan. Ilalagay ko na yung gata. Ayan, kakang gata. Oo, mama. Okay. Ginataang. Ang aking ginataang kamansi. At lagyan natin ng konting pampalinamnam ng magic. Sarap! Ayan po. Tapos pakuloyin ko pa. Lagyan ng konting asin. Ayan. At haluin. Ayan ang aking gata. Hindi pa luto. Medyo palambutin ko lang po ng konti. At tapos ilalagay ko na sa lalagyan.
We hook up in my car, driving so far, play you get taught, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at